Completely remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home situated on an expansive corner lot with an easy commute to Dallas. Features a desirable split-bedroom floor plan for ideal privacy and fresh interior paint throughout. The updated kitchen boasts brand-new cabinetry, durable Corian countertops, and updated sinks. Both bathrooms are refreshed with new vanities, sinks, and toilets. Enjoy a spacious, private yard on a prime lot in an established neighborhood. Turnkey and ready for move-in. Schedule your showing today.